A salute to you.
If you are a horseman at all, you recognize maturity on horseback. This young lady's got to be headed to the Olympics. The World Games. The Rolex Kentucky International 3-day event. Do you see what she's doing? Dressage. The complete training of horses, mind, body, and in spirit. Allowing that horse to bend, flex, and give two barely perceptible commands from the handler. This mare is relaxed. She's floating. She's got proper conformation and a very even temperament. Oh yeah! Did you see that extension? Don't sit there and awe. Give this young lady a big round of applause. Yeah, she's looking good. The breed of horse is very rare in the United States. Brand new breed, just begun development in 1960 in Rhineland, Germany. The Rhinelander, a breed of horse noted for exceptional disposition and the careful blending of the original Rhineland draft horse with thoroughbred, Trakehner, Oldenburg, Hanoverian has created the amazing creature that you see before you right now. It takes years of experience to get to where these two are. When did this young lady meet up with this horse? October of 2004. When was her first show with this horse? June of 2005. How many shows have this pair been to so far? 15. How have they placed? First place blue ribbon every single class. About the title of reserve champion, and High Point Award for 2 consecutive weekends. This is an 11-year-old mare called La Belle. She is the Rhinelander. The young lady is 13-year-old Emily Rogers from Grove City, Ohio. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, this is Youth in Action with Horses. Let's show this young lady how much we appreciate her. Thank you so much, Emily, for coming back to the Kentucky Horse Park for 2005. Make her day, ladies and gentlemen. One final round of applause. Absolutely beautiful. Alrighty, we have seen Kentucky Rider on a Welsh cob. We have seen an American